How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Crypto Alt Delete, your number one source for everything in the world of cryptocurrency, meme coins, altcoins, and blockchains, other cryptocurrency news as well for all your news. Before we start though, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Make sure to do your own due diligence and research before you invest anything. And don't invest more than you're willing to lose. So what are we talking about today on Crypto Alt Delete? Well, it's the last chance to seize the final presale of MOOKY before it rockets off of Uniswap on July 24th. So today, get yourself out there and check this out. MOOKY, the groundbreaking meme coin poised to redefine the crypto landscape, is gearing up to make its grand debut in July of 2023 with an array of exciting features such as CEX listings, NFT integration, and an extensive marketing campaign. MOOKY is set to establish itself as the leading meme coin of the year. As the final stage of the pre-sale approaches, anticipation is reaching new heights. Investors and crypto enthusiasts eagerly await the opportunity to get their hands on MOOKY tokens and be part of this groundbreaking journey. One of the key milestones for MOOKY is its upcoming listing on prominent exchanges, BitMart and LBank. By the way, if you're new to Crypto Alt Delete, hit the subscribe button down below, turn on that bell for all notifications. Let us know in the comments if there's anything you want us to cover in the world of cryptocurrency, meme coins, altcoins, or blockchains, or any other cryptocurrency news. This strategic partnership will provide MOOKY with increased accessibility and liquidity, attracting a broader audience of investors. Additionally, the team is planning an exciting Uniswap launch to enhance further MOOKY's presence in the DeFi, which is decentralized finances, ecosystem. In line with its innovative approach, MOOKY recognizes the significance of NFTs in the crypto space. Integrating NFT functionality, MOOKY opens up new avenues for token utility and engagements. The team envisions a vibrant NFT marketplace where MOOKY holders can explore unique digital assets and unlock exclusive experiences. To ensure widespread awareness and adoption, MOOKY is rolling out an extensive marketing campaign. Now, by leveraging various channels and influencers, MOOKY aims to capture the attention of the crypto community and beyond. The team is dedicated to fostering a strong and supportive community where members can connect, share insights, and contribute to MOOKY's success. With the final pre-stage underway and the launch just around the corner, now's the perfect time to get involved. Stay tuned for more updates and announcements as MOOKY revolutionizes the meme coin space in 2023. To learn more about MOOKY and participate in the pre-sale, visit the website. It's a forward-thinking meme coin that aims to redefine the crypto landscape in 2023 with its CEX listings, NFT integration, and extensive marketing campaign. MOOKY is set to lead the way as the top meme coin of the year. You can join the MOOKY community and be part of the future of meme coins. That's going to do it for today's Crypto Alt Delete video. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, drop a comment, let us know if there's anything you want us to cover in the world of meme coins, altcoins, or other cryptocurrency news. We'll see you in the next video.